Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
We are fine.
afternoon. Good afternoon. So, children, let's wait for other students to join. Till then, I'm writing your attendance. I'm noting down your names. Okay, let's wait for others because very less students have joined.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Are you ready with your copies and your pencils?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Children,
Yes,
today we are
ma'am.
going to play a game. Today we are going to play a game. Are you not excited? Nobody is asking, ma'am, what game?
Ma'am, what? About nouns. Ma'am, what is the game? About the nouns. Ma'am,
Yes?
about the nouns.
No. About framing words. You have to formation of words. From a big word, you have to form as many small words as you can. I'm going to type a big word in the chat box, and from that word you have to form as many words as you can. Like suppose the word is suppose. I have not given you the word. The word I type is national. National. So there are so many words that can be formed like in, on, and, no, nation. Then what else? Ton, ton, ton. Then there are these kind of words, that as many words as you can form from a big word.
Ma'am, nationals word will be nations.
Yes, nation, national. You can form the biggest word, nation, from that. Then lion. Lion is also a word that can be formed out of national, Lion, lion. Okay? Ready for the game?
This is the rhyming words. Ma'am,
No, beta, not rhyming words. These are not rhyming words. These are just small words that we are making from a big word. Now it depends on how good your vocabulary is.
Ma'am, we are playing we have that, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that when you send a national, we have to send you a word with playing. Please explain me.
Wait, I will explain you.
Please explain me what we are playing.
Now children, see, this game is called word game. Word game. So from this word game, from a big word, I am going to type a big word. And from that big word, let me see how many small words you can form. How many of you have understood the game? Because there are a few students who have not understood what we are doing. I am not saying you to form words from the same alphabet. I am not saying you to form rhyming words. What you have to do is you have to form different words from a big word, starting with any alphabet. Your word starts from a 2-letter word and it can be as big as you can make from that word. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody just just open your cameras. Each one of you, please open your cameras and write down the word in your copies on the top. Write down today's date. Wait.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
That is what I'm telling now. Write down today's date. Write down the heading word game. Do this and I will tell.
And what?
Write down
Ma'am,
date. Write down.
what is the heading?
The heading is word game. WORD word game.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, in rough copy or fair copy?
Children, in your comprehension copies. Now, whenever I take class, I don't want this question to come up. Ma'am, in which copy? You have made your comprehension copies. Each time I have to waste 5 minutes on this topic in the class.
Ma'am, I have to.
Ma'am, what do we do now?
Ma'am, we are playing.
And what is the heading?
The heading is word game. When Jaskaran is speaking, when you can hear that somebody is talking, then why do you speak in between? Jaskaran, say what you are saying.
Ma'am, I am saying this because, ma'am, because we are playing this game now.
We are playing this game. We are playing this game, and what you have to do, you have to do in your comprehension copy only, because this is a part of English. Okay? Now what you have to do, I am typing. Everyone has written today's date and the topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is form, FORM, form as many words as you can. Form, write down the question. Form as many words as you can.
Ma'am, pen.
Ma'am, what you have to do?
The topic is word game, and the question number 1 is form as many words as
Ma'am,
you
like,
can.
ma'am, like fan. Ma'am, fan.
Beta, I have not given you the word yet. Just try to understand. I have not given you that long word. Don't start framing words. Let me give you that big word.
Ma'am, we are playing game now.
Yes, beta, we are playing game now.
Ma'am, but we are very disturbed by children are speaking.
Don't get disturbed. Please concentrate on your work. The word is, that long word is, okay. The long word is in the chat box. Everybody see from there.
Ma'am, in my chat box there is no word.
Now see, the word is physiologist. Physiologist.
Yes, ma'am. What is your thing?
Who is typing in the chat box? Have I told you to type in the chat box? Now everybody mute yourself, think hard and write in your copies.
Ma'am, please tell now what we have to do.
Yes, beta.
रजिस्टर करना अब बताएंगे तो ये शब्द लिखो एक शब्द बोलना क्वेश्चन नंबर 1
क्या?
Form a marginal UN.
Ma'am, now please tell what we have to write.
Beta, can you see this word in the chat box?
Yes.
Yes. You have to form words from this word. Like what word can be formed? H-O-T, hot. Right? P-O-T, pot. Okay? T-O-2, I-T, it. You can form different words from this big word. Now let me see how many of you can. Yes.
Ma'am, first we write full word then short forms.
What are you asking, beta? First you have to write what?
What is the word?
The word is.
I have come late.
The word is physiologist. See, I am typing all of it again in the chat box. Akshadha Tiwari, please don't send it here. You are supposed to write it in your copy. Now see, Vedanshu, can you see beta in the chat box? Yes. Now start doing the work.
Ma'am, I have done.
How many words could you frame?
Ma'am, 4.
Only 4? Beta, you're in class 3.
Ma'am.
You're in class 3. There are so many words that you can form by this big word. Don't give up so soon.
Ma'am, I have
Be quiet. Everybody be quiet. I am saying everyone to be quiet and do the work. Think hard. Think of more and more words. Yes.
Ma'am, the first word should be in word.
The first word should be, what are you asking?
Ma'am, pot, hot, and lots.
Ma'am, can I ask in Hindi?
Beta, I am not understanding what you are saying. You're not clear enough. Please type in the chat box and ask.
And the words we can make from this word is pot, hot, lots.
Don't tell me, Bhavya, did I ask you?
Ma'am, I cannot understand what we have to do. Ma'am, everyone is saying, another word. I have written it different. So I can write
Yes, right. Okay,
Ma'am,
Rishabh
it is
Kumar.
no five alphabets.
Okay, be
Yes,
quiet.
ma'am.
Right. Now, Rishabh Kumar.
Ma'am, I am done.
Rishabh Kumar, what you have to do is, see, can you see in the chat box? I have typed the word physiologist. Can you see this word?
Yes.
Now from this big word, beta, you have to frame small words. You have to make different small words. So it is a brain game. You have to use your brain. You have to use your mind to frame as many words as you can. There are so many small words that can be taken out from this big word using these alphabets. Like suppose SIT, sit. Okay, can we frame a word sit? Then
Yes.
TOO, two, TOO, TO, single two, then HOT, hot. There are so many words that you can make. So let me see who makes the maximum number of words.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, can I ask my question in Hindi?
yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, I have to speak that. मैम हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर वर्ड में से होगा तभी भी वर्ड होगा.
बेटा बात फर्स्ट लेटर की नहीं है, बात सारे लेटर्स की. आपका वर्ड किसी भी लेटर से शुरू हो सकता है. जैसे आप LOG लॉग भी बना सकते हो, LOT लॉट भी बना सकते हो. ठीक है, आपका वर्ड जो है किसी भी अल्फाबेट से शुरू हो सकता है, बट वो सारे अल्फाबेट्स इस वर्ड में, फिजियोलॉजिस्ट वर्ड में होने चाहिए. आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी नया लेटर ऐड नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I make
8 words.
found 20 words.
Array, who has made 20 words?
I. Ma'am, Vamika.
Vamika, very nice, Vamika. Now let me also sit now. I will also make words. Let me see how many words I can make. Okay? Everybody keep quiet and
Ma'am,
do
I
your
have
work.
made 10 words.
Okay, be quiet. I told everyone to be quiet. We will talk in the end. How many words are made by whom?
Ma'am, please send the next big word.
No, beta. First, we will talk on this word only. Okay?
Ma'am, Utkarsh Yadav is sending me message personally, unnecessary message personally.
Utkarsh Yadav, beta, please don't do that. I don't want to hear any complaint next time. This is such an interesting game. There are so many words that you can frame.
20. Ma'am, I have made 17 words.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in the last of this word, ma'am, it is written ist. So, ma'am, we can write is it. Ma'am, is it is a word. So
Is,
we can write it.
you can make is a different word, it a different word. Okay? Don't mix two of them. Is it? No, it's not a word, no? Is a different word, it is a different word.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have made words 20.
My God, you have made 20 words. Very nice.
Ma'am, I also made 20
Other-
words.
Ma'am, I have making 21 words.
I have made, not maken. I have
Ma'am, I
made
have-
20.
Ma'am, I have made 22 words.
Very nice. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, other word we have to write with our own.
Other words, all words you have to write on your own, beta. From this big word, Jaskaran, have you not understood the game? From this big words, physiologist, you have to make small words.
Ma'am, now I have made 22 words.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have made now 22 words.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. I have made 25 words, but I'm still looking for more words. I think that many words still can be made. Okay, I have made 26 words. These are all easy words.
Ma'am, now I have making 23 words.
Very nice. Okay.
This we do.
Is there anybody else who has made more than 23 words in the class? Naisha Roy, how many words have you made?
Ma'am, 25.
Very nice. And Shaurya Tyagi, what about you? How many words have you
Ma'am,
made?
I have made 20
24 words. Ma'am, I have made 22.
Okay, very nice, very good. And anybody else who has made more than 25 words?
Ma'am, I have made 25 words.
Very good, very nice. Try for at 1-5. We are going to stop writing. We have 4 more minutes to think of more words.
Ma'am, we can write OP word.
You can write which word?
OP.
OP. What is OP, beta? OP, does it mean anything?
Ma'am, I have written Augie. It is a cartoon character.
So beta, how can you make Augie? Augie has got double G. But in this word, there is only one G. Augie cannot be formed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, OP means a very interesting thing.
OP.
Ma'am, I have made 27 words.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, 4 minutes are over.
No, the time is still 1-5. At 1-5, we'll stop writing. 2 minutes are left.
Now, ma'am, I have made 31 words.
Oh my God, 31 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, time up. Time up, time up.
Ma'am, 1 minute is left.
1 minute is still left.
No. No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 1-5. Ma'am, time is over.
All right. Now, who has made more than 30 words?
Ma'am, Rishabh. 31 words.
Ma'am, I don't understand. So I write only 7 words.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have write only 10 words.
Okay. How many students have written more than 30 words? Please raise your hand. More than 30. Manya Singh, have you made more than 30 words?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I made.
Jyoti.
Ma'am, I already made 27 words.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
I
good.
made 22 words.
Okay. This one, Naisha. Naisha, how many words have you made? Naisha, how many words have you made? Beta, unmute yourself. And everybody open your cameras. Yes?
Log is
How many?
logist.
Ma'am, 29.
29. Okay. Who has made above 30? All right.
I have made 30 words.
Ma'am,
Shh. Vamika has made 30.
Ma'am, I have made 27. Sorry, Tyaji.
Beta, please.
Ma'am, Athar Singh 31.
Okay, Atharv Singh. Tell me what all words have you made? Read out your words. Open your camera and read out your words.
Hot pot log in soil oil is set to his least easy is
After his, what is the word?
least.
Lead. What is that?
Least.
What are the spellings?
Lease.
L-E. Where is E in physiologist? Where is A in physiologist? Just cancel this word. This is no word. Then
Five go stop hot sip top flip pit pit opposite zip
opposite. Opposite. How can you make opposite? There is only single P in physiologist and there is no E. Opposite is no word. Then
hit this food short show.
what is the last word, beta?
So
Saw. What are the spellings?
S-O.
Okay, S-O, so. All right. Naisha Roy, what are your words?
Yes, ma'am. First is soil, log, hog, set, is, it, igloo, hot, solo, ghost, shoot, pot, lost, got, to, post, loop, tilt, got, tip, hit, ship, lip, hip, host, this, ship, sip, sorry, and can list, ma'am.
All right. So children, apart from these small words. Now, what are these small words? These small words are IT, it, TO2, then SO, so, then we have IS, is. These are all small words, 2-letter words. Now, if we talk about, yes, then if we talk about 3-letter words, we have words like got, hot, sit, tip, pit, pot, top, lot, then spy. Has anyone made this word SPY, spy?
Ma'am, I have made.
Very nice. What does spy mean?
Ma'am, I made.
Very good, very good.
I made.
All right, now be quiet. Shh. Children, you are not speaking right now, only I am speaking. Be quiet. Then anyone has made this word sty, S-T-Y. Do you know what is a sty? Sty is a place where pigs live. Sty. Okay. Then there is a word die. T-H-Y, die. Die is an English word which means you. Then there is a word pit, P-I-T, pit. What is a pit? Pit is a gadda. In Hindi we call gadda, that's pit. Then there is another word hit, H-I-T, hit, when you hit somebody. Then there is one more word, sly, S-L-Y. What is sly? Sly means, Naisha, what does sly mean?
Ma'am, I guess hidden or something.
Yes?
What is the meaning of sly?
Sly is having a bad nature, having a very cunning nature, or showing very cunning nature. That is slying.
Ma'am, I'm 40.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then there is one more word, T-O-Y, toy. Did anyone make that? Toy.
Ma'am, I have made it. Ma'am, I have
Very
made.
nice. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Then there are words like oil, his, tip. These are all 3-letter words. Now coming on to the 4-letter words. The 4-letter words, tool, T-O-O-L, tool. Did anyone make tool? Okay.
Ma'am,
Very
ma'am,
nice.
I have made.
Yes, ma'am,
Very good.
made.
Then loop, L-O-O-P, loop. Loop, have you made?
Ma'am, I made.
Okay, very good.
I made.
Then we
Ma'am,
have
I have also made.
pool. Swimming pool, pool. Have you made?
Ma'am, I have made. Ma'am, I.
One word written is igloo.
Ma'am, I have also made pool.
Then we have a word soil, S-O-I-L, soil.
5-letter word.
Ma'am, I have made.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have made.
Okay. Very good. Then one more very simple word. One more very simple word. This.
written
T-H-I-S.
word.
How many of you have made the word
I have
this?
made one word. I have made one word from Augie.
written
It is Augie and Logie. Ma'am, Augie is wrong. Ma'am, Augie and Logie I have written. Augie and
Ma'am,
Logie.
log is wrong. Ma'am, log is wrong because ma'am, in this word, ma'am, 2G is not there. Ma'am, there is only 1G. And
Yes,
Augie
ma'am,
is also
in this both are wrong.
Okay.
Ma'am, in this there are two. Ma'am, there are two G's. Ma'am,
There
Augie
are?
and Logie. Ma'am, in Logie. Ma'am, in Logie. Two.
Ma'am, I have made igloo word.
Igloo is a very good word. Yes, igloo is a very nice word that you have made. Then
I have also
ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Have you made ship?
Yes, ma'am.
Then there is one more word, slip. Slip, when you slip down. How many of you have made? Good. Then this, T-H-I-S, this. Have you made this word? Yes.
Ma'am, I can say that. I made Brad Gupta.
Ma'am, I have also made Arab Gupta.
Then plot, host, stop, host. Very good.
Ma'am, I have made it.
Very
Hot
good.
and hot.
Okay, who all have made lips? L-I-P-S. Lips.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have made it.
Now, children, did you see how interesting this game is? These are simple words that can be made from a big word. This is such an interesting game and it improves your vocabulary. So next time also, whenever we have our class,